as we know, the customer gets notified for the sign up, for order notification, everything through the email or SMS. So in case we want to change the template of it, so here we are having that option as well. We will go to configuration. Here you can see email and SMS templates, so we will just click over here. Now we have for email as well as for SMS. First we will see for email. Just click over here. So in the drop down here you can select the templates. Here we are having certain templates which are by default given by More Customers app. Okay, if you want to do any editing part, or if you want like you want to see what is the exact template of the email, you can check it over here. So if any customer gets an email for the OTP, so the subject will be like this, the site name, that means suppose my site name is Stylic, so the customer will see here Stylic and verify your OTP. So in this way he will get, here I can do it full screen. Here I can see the whole email. So here it goes like this, like here they will see the logo, here the name. Okay, here your OTP is mentioned below. Here they'll get the OTP, and we will write this line also, please do not share this with anyone. Okay, feel free to call us. So this contact number and the site name. So this is the default template which is given to you for OTP purpose. In case if you want any changes onto it, you can do the changes accordingly, and you can just save it directly from here. Okay, so this is the token information for OTP, and this F name, it suggests for first name of the user. Suppose if I am mentioning my name as Ruchi Chora in the panel, okay, in while sign up, so here my name, when the OTP email I will receive, it will address me as hi Ruchi, your OTP is mentioned below. So this is for the OTP purpose. After making certain changes, you can directly update it. Similarly, we are having other emails also. Here you can see from the drop down, you can check over here, order placed by the customer, order placed for admin, that means admin, we are the admin. Okay, so here you can do the changes for the admin also. You can change like what details you want. Okay, so here I will see for one of the details for admin. I'll just keep a full screen. Okay, so here you can see the order details. Okay, you have received a new order, hi site owner name. Okay, the owner name will be there. You have received an order. Okay, and here while clicking here, they can see the customer order details. Okay, similarly if we want to make any changes over here, that can also be done. Again, the next one is order cancel by the for customer. Suppose if order is cancelled, then one email will be sent to them, and on same order cancel, admin will also receive. Order cancelled by admin, suppose if we are cancelling the order for the customer, so the customer will get an email. Okay, or similarly on order dispatch, on order delivered. Okay, on refund and exchange by the customer or by admin, it is approved or rejected, that will be sent to the customer also. Okay, similarly refund or exchange cancelled by the customer, in case customer is cancelling it, so we will get an email. So this is the way where you can change the email templates. Next we will go to SMS. Click on SMS. Now click on the drop down. Here you can see the SMS goes for certain options, which is sign up for OTP, forgot password, again we will get an OTP, place order SMS, it will go to the user, order cancelled by admin, if the admin, suppose if we the seller are cancelling the order, so the SMS will go to the customer, order cancelled by user. Okay, then dispatch order by admin, if we are sending the order, we are marking the status as dispatched, so again for that also SMS will go to the customer. Update customer account for account activation. Okay, so that also can be done from here. And delivered order SMS, so that your order has been delivered, so that again will go to the customer. So we will see one of the templates, but yes, this SMS templates are only useful if you are adding transactional SMS to your panel. because only transactional SMS should be added to the panel. You will get an URL from there which you can set up in the panel, and then accordingly after making certain steps you can like turn on the SMS facility for your website. So for sign up OTP SMS we are having this by default, we are having this template. Okay, so that can also be changed. Okay, same way we are having for forgot password. Okay, for forgot password also customer gets certain SMS. Similarly we have for place order. Okay, so the customer name, place, note your order ID, we will keep you updated when we dispatch. So this is while the customer is placing the order, he will get this message from us. So here there are certain templates, other templates you can see if you want to make any of the changes, any of the updations. So here you can do that as well, and accordingly you can manage the orders via email and SMS.